Why hasn't your makeup routine evolved yet? We need to talk about a game changer, the Ogee Face Stick Crystal Collection Trio. This trio includes a bronzer, blush, and highlighter stick, perfect for that natural glow. Say goodbye to cakey makeup. These sticks are certified organic. They use green coffee oil to stimulate collagen. How cool is that? Worried about pores? Sal Tree Resin has got you covered. Need a silky finish? One stroke gives you sheer, but build it up for more glam. Perfect for on the go, it moisturizes while keeping your skin matte. Why waste time with anything else? This trio is the real deal. Glow up the easy way, whether you're at home or out and about. Your skin deserves the best, and this collection delivers. So what are you waiting for? Go add this to your cart now.